Trying to keep my distance here. Trying to let the mom just keeping an eye. These noisy miners have a baby like every month. It's and the mother's right there. Hello. He's looking right at me. Hello. He's just in his nest. Yes, I am there. There's two of them right here. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, bye bye. Little baby. Oh, here it is, here it is. Here we are. I'm scared. I'm scared because I have been shot by a Indian myna before. Oh my! Look at this! Oh no! Oh no! There are very experienced mothers. Like they have a baby like every month. I don't really know why, but until then, I've been known at the park because I'm trying to practice on tennis. So until then, make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff I taught you guys later. But until then, goodbye. It's a beautiful day in the Berlin. Peace.